On a tree trader, charts lit, wrist tight, inside bars only. Let's work.
I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk of fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. NQ moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the pine tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk to find, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah, funded to live, that's a different feel. Trade, they take profit, apex on the deal. Evaluation passed, now it's payout talk. While they blowing accounts, we taking walks. Inside bar at key high, that's pressure building. Yeah, break off the range, yeah, that's conviction. Yeah, no indicators clutter in my sight. Just price action, structure candlelight. Chat yelling long, I mute that noise. Market don't care about opinions, boy.
What is up? What's up? Digital Nukes #1. Let's go. Dean Bishop in the house. Trader 007. What's going on? Full port. Yeah. Today was another big down day. Soon you'll be buying Bitcoin with pizzas. Exactly, Mystic Rick. Yeah, I guess Bitcoin took a big dump. Or cryptos in general. I don't really follow that stuff, but it's kind of hard to avoid the headlines now. Madine, what's going on? Time fades. Wild Boar. Amazon still dumping? Yeah, last I looked at, Amazon was down about 8%. 9% or something like that. Crazy. Doing fine, awesome. Yeah, so I had a pretty good day today. I tried to pass or smash, or half or smash a few Lucid accounts. It did not work out, but I got another daily payout, guys. Same account. Okay, no resets. About 900 bucks. Pull up that account right now. Wood Chip in the house. What's going on, Wood Chip? Finally got a decent payout. 800. Hey, let's go. Let's give it up for Wood Chip. Guys, smash that confetti for Wood Chip. Pretty awesome. Jay Styles in the house. Yeah, smash that confetti for wood chip. That's a good payout. Hey, 800 bucks is good. Here's the account right here. So this is the kind of the degen account. So if you look at this week here, up $11,413 on this account. This is the pro account. But yeah, pretty good. %31.4%. Yeah, I have one like that too. Wood chip. I have one that's way like I made 3,000 on it on day one by mistake. I thought it was an eval. So I got one that I can't even request right now. But yeah. Peter, what's up? So yeah, right around $900 daily payout today. Anything over 4,500 bucks, you can take the payout. So kind of crushing it with the take profit traders this week. Hopefully I can keep it going. Fridays haven't been that good for me. But 1, 2, 3. So, oh wow, actually. Let's see, 6. Calculating. So I heard an influencer today talk about how, well, you know, no one on YouTube can make a living prop trading. And there's only one that trades a real account on YouTube, but it's impossible to make a living prop trading. I made $9,348 this week in Take Profit Trader payouts. So to that YouTuber, right there, because it is possible. Yo, what's up? What do I need to do to overcome that? Keep trading as far as I understand, wood chip. I was actually trying to do some research about it last night because I actually don't know. If you look at my Apex accounts, I'll actually pull them up real quick before the market opens. Peter, hello. I just took my first Lucid Flex payout. As a matter of fact, it was use code PINE to get it. Let's go. Lucid Flex. Awesome. So I'm going to be working on one tonight. So, you know, with daily payouts, guys, I mean, it is absolutely possible to do that. So that's $9,348 this week, and I'm taking another payout tonight, which is 900 something minus the 20%. So let's just say like 700 bucks. So over 10,000 this week with daily payouts. So like, it's ridiculous what some of these YouTubers try to do for engagement because they're furus and they're fakes. And I'm not gonna name names, but you probably could figure it out. Let's see. You can tell I just saw that video before I hopped on. Yeah, so right here, if you look at my... Okay, so if you go under request payout, so I got one pending right now. I just requested one for 2,000 from Apex. You can see these payouts right here. All got approved last month from Apex. And then, so I got one right here, and you see it's up to $8,487. But when I go to request, it says windfall. Right here, windfall, 32%, 0.59%. So I don't know what that means. I don't know if I have to keep making more money to get it under that or not. So I'm actually very confused on that. If anyone knows on how that works with Apex, I'd love to know. But yeah. As far as my other accounts go, take a look. I'm at another green day today. So day 17, I got all these accounts up to 3,800 bucks. Most of them anyway. All the PAs. So a very small green day today, about 150 bucks or something like that. Let's take a look. 161 bucks on Apex. So just trading micros with them, guys. I'm just trading micros with them for the most part, except YM. Every once in a while, I'll trade a little YM with them. But how long does Lucid take to pay out? Really quick, Peter. Yeah, really quick. His Royal Trades in the house. Sorry, I was on a rant. Brass, what's going on? Actually traded NQ in MNQ and was copy trading 10 Apex accounts. I thought it was traded NQ. I was taking it $120. Oh no, Brass. I've definitely been there. I've done that same thing. Coach Fred in the house. Silva, his Royal Trades. We long in gold at open. I know it, right? That's something to back test, right? Echo Trader. It's almost, look, there it goes. There it goes. Right? That's 10 points. That's 10 points. That's $1,000. One mini. It seems like every single gold open. We kind of went back last night and just looked at a few of the past days. I don't know. We probably went back, what, 12, 13 days. And I would say, what, 80% was bullish. Green candle. Just nuts. But yeah, congratulations, Peter. Still says processing, but it was approved. Oh, okay. Yeah, usually it's very, very fast, but maybe because it's your first one, it might take a little bit longer. But yeah, it's super quick. Oh, nice, Echo Trader. New program. I actually don't know anything about it. I haven't looked into it. Sonic rules in the house. Average Joe cannot withdraw consistently. No, I know. It's not easy. I'm not saying it's easy to do. He's saying that no one on YouTube can do it. And I'm saying bullshit. I'll challenge that anytime. Discord, am I new? Do I have a Discord? Yeah, I have a Discord. I've been trading futures since 2021. I mean, you can just go back to my I'm not new trader. I mean, fairly new, right? Compared to someone that's been trading since the 90s. But yeah, just hang out at M2. I mean, just hang out. I'm here every single night. You know, I'm not the best trader. I don't claim to be. I just, you know, I do okay. I don't have a Lambo. I have a Clambo. Sherry in the house. KM, you cannot trade metals with Apex anymore. Unfortunately, you cannot trade metals with Apex. I don't make the rules. Sucks. Discord? Yeah, we got Discord. It's $500 a month. No, it's free. I got you, bud. My Discord is a little lame, but maybe it'll turn around at some point. Not that much participation in the Discord, to be honest. Discord link in the chat. Guys, we'll do a giveaway tonight again. So we've done giveaways pretty much every single night. We're gonna do 2 giveaways. We're gonna give back to the members only again, as well. So we'll do 2 giveaways. How long did it take my? So it took. What did it take? 6 or 7 business days after it was approved for Apex. Yep. Real ones don't have big followings because they don't sell dreams, and quiet success is quiet. Yeah, I know. Time fades. I saw a lot of Lambos. At the max option thing, and not one of them were just affiliates. I'll just put it that way. They were. I'll just say that. Market's open, guys. Good luck. So I'm trading I will be trading a Lucid eval. I tried to pass 4 of them today. I smashed them. Cost me $77 times 4, but with the 900 payout today minus the commissions, it's still a profitable day. Just not as profitable as we would like, right? But I'm motivated to try to get some more Lucid accounts, and because I want to trade metals, especially during the stream, right? So it'll be fun. Hi, you need to do more money. Your best day can't be more than 30% of 2060 some. Yeah, thank you, Andrea. So yeah, so I just think I'm just gonna make more money on the account as far as the 30%. All right, so big red day again for Nasdaq. Amazon earnings also pushed down. If you look at the hourly chart, let's look at the daily actually real quick. If you look at the daily chart, 3 pretty sizable red days in a row. And it makes you wonder, right? Like, who knew about the Amazon earnings or something, you know? Not that great, but so yeah. I felt like the market kind of just ran out of time, but we could get a relief bounce here. So you know, I'm just gonna trade bar to bar and we'll see what happens. Long gold at open. Let's go Echo. I'm way behind in the chat. Holy cow. Miss K in the house. Oh, thank you, Silver. Yeah, I just didn't know if I just could keep trading it or if the account was just blown or what. JLB, same idea. What is going on? His royal trades. What'd you miss? Oh, I was probably ranting about some video I saw, some other simfluencer on YouTube that thinks he's something that's really not. He's a fake and a fraud. But I'm not. I'll never name names on here. But he bought all his followers, all of them, and then brags about it. It's a joke. Did I get my Stonebreaker order? Not only did I get my Stonebreaker ordered, I've already taken 3 doses his royal trades. I actually feel much better today. I don't know. Maybe I passed it, didn't know it. And the stuff tastes like garbage. How could someone claim to be the best? Best discipline, best money trade? Really hard to say. Yeah, I mean, I think just being consistent. I think when it comes to trading, is being consistent. I think within life, it's about being consistent. So whether your diet or exercise or your personal life, relationships, it's just all about consistency, right? You kind of gotta be able to deal with the ups and downs, obviously, but just trying to stay level, even keeled. And I think with trading, that is the key. You know, that is the key, because we kind of like just go up and down, and you know, with trading. And I do that too. I go through that hamster wheel stuff. It's horrible. And then, like, when I was trying to pass accounts today on this, trying to pass these evals, like half or smash, and then I was just like, man, it's just not good trading, right? You know, but it's like that prop game, and I'm like, I'm in a rush to get more lucid accounts, and yeah, that can be costly, so you got to be careful with that. But yeah, definitely not consistent, or definitely consistency, I think is the key. If you can consistently make money year over year trading, awesome, you know. What's up, AO? KM? Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, my funded futures got some good deals going on too. So you can trade metals with the old my funded futures. No, I didn't hit Royal Trades. I didn't know. I mean, I assumed. The weird thing is with the Apex, like, they have consistency rules with their accounts. So, yeah, I mean, I'm no, you know, I don't really know the reasons. I mean, I'm not an insider or anything, so I don't really know. But yeah, it just seems like if you don't have consistency account, this is the reason why I'm buying a Lucid Flex account, because if I can get this passed, I can trade the metals and I could potentially have a really big day. But when there's consistency rules, then it's, you know. Alex Martinez, sometimes it glitches. I've had that happen where I was trading hey, you know what? I've had it happen, Alex, where I was trading an account and it went past my drawdown, way past, and it came back in my favor. It never stopped me out, and it was some sort of glitch, and I ended up getting a payout on that account. It was just awesome. I was like, oh yeah, I was celebrating. It went way, I'm talking, it went 10,000 past my drawdown, and I ended up getting a payout on that account. It's always nice when there's a glitch that works in your favor. What's up, Sean? AMD was good, but it sold off. Yeah, Amazon's dragging it down, I guess. What's up, Lobber Jib Smith? $109 for 50K. Oh, it was much cheaper, right? Is there an activation fee too? Ayo? If you have no Lambo and you didn't turn $100 into $1 million, you're not a real trader. Exactly. Carbonite. Yeah. It's influencer. Yeah. Inside bar and gold forming. Let's take a look at gold here. Yeah, there is an inside bar in gold. I don't really know what to expect today as far as the metals and stuff. I feel like you want to wait for it to break out, but same with Nasdaq. What I'm going to look for in Nasdaq is kind of break out of this ORB. Did it actually break? Actually did, didn't it? High 52. This is kind of the similar setups we had last night. Where am I at? I would like to look for a short, possibly down to the low of the day. Just because of the 5-minute ORB. You guys know I love to fade it, so. Crazy New Rage, a bunch of phony trader grifters pretending to be legit traders, frustrating, but you just have to laugh. Yeah, I know, Cody. Yeah. I mean, I'm not the best trader in the world, but to say, like, it's not possible is, I mean, I know it's not easy. I mean, it's like literally like 1 or 2% or something crazy. Like 2% actually get like 3 payouts on one account. Like, you can look up statistics for prop firms and stuff. It's crazy difficult. But, you know, I think when you have a, you know, the only thing is what sucks is, you know, with the Take Profit Trader Pro account is that you pay that commission, but it's that price we pay. So the 80-20 split. But like, you know, when you take daily payouts out of these accounts, it's goes right into the bank. Well, the wallet, and then into the bank, and it's like getting a paycheck every day. I love it. It's like being a gig worker in a way, but with trading. Consistency and balance. Yeah, I agree, Kevin. Hey, Tony Lannis, what's going on? How consistent is the market? It's not very consistent, is it? No. I mean, consistently goes up and down. That's for sure. No, every single day is different. This is why I'm kind of a bar to bar trader, where I just look to see like what's happening like right now. All right, I'm gonna try this. This is a very similar to what happened last night, so hopefully it doesn't do the same thing where it pushes back up to the high. But I'm gonna short, looking for the low of the day, just based off this candle here, where we pushed up above that ORB, rejected, and pushed back down. And then overall, the trend is super bearish. We do have these fair value gaps up here and stuff that make me a little bit concerned. And to get a little relief rally bounce could happen, right? This is the stuff that could happen, but I'm just gonna take a shot, small shot with just 3 micros. Oh, shit, I'm on the wrong account. Shit, I'm on the wrong account. I just lost some money on the pro account. Let's get rid of that so I can request a payout. All right, back on that. I want to request a payout on that account, so I don't want to trade it yet. So I'm short. Taking a look at gold here. It's got a kind of breaking that inside bar to the downside. Short Nasdaq, stops at the high. Looking for the low. Glenn in the house. I did pass and smash 1 or 5 years ago, but I stopped because it dragged me into the gambling mentality. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it's horrible. The whole the whole 1 day to pass stuff, that's, you know, fairly new, you know, in the last 2-3 years, is really bad, you know, promoting really bad trading. For sure. Nick Trader, the subs are gonna fall off the cliff at Apex. Yeah, I kind of think so. I kind of called it, Nick Trader, where I actually posted on Twitter before it even happened, where I said others are gonna do it. I just didn't think it was gonna be the ones that had consistency accounts, but I was wrong. Here we go. It's a nice trade here, guys. Short here. Looking for the low. The only one's no bueno. Yeah, exactly. I can't imagine it's gonna like stay that way, but I hear you, Nick trade. I wasn't too happy about it. You know, thankfully I don't. I mean, I do trade metals, but I don't really trade them that often on my funded accounts with Apex, so it's okay. But you know, I know a lot of traders that only traded gold. You know. This is a beautiful trade right now, so far. Looking for more. I'm looking for the low of the day to take off 2 and then leave a runner. Basically a Harami short, but not truly a Harami, I guess. Just because it wasn't in the body of the previous candle. Amazon holding 200. I'm still way behind in the chat. Sorry, guys. I didn't even scroll down. Sorry, I'm way behind. I'm at 40K on 40,000 on the Apex, 50K. Holy cow, Alex Martinez. Yeah. What's up, DJ Warrior? Good to see you, man. No, I haven't with EA. I haven't with Trade Day. No, never have. I really didn't start trading with. Actually, that's a lie. I started trading with Trade Day back in 2022. What a banger trade! Come on, bang! Look at that. All right, leaving that runner on. What a monster trade there. But yeah, I actually I didn't trade with Trade Day that much, and then I didn't get any payouts until the end of last year with them. I kind of had a Trade Day curse, and then I started trading with them more often. And then I started getting payouts. I did get a payout with them earlier this year. 2 of them actually. Let's go. It's a good 60 points right there. I'm gonna leave the runner on. This could keep going. I'm just gonna put the stop at the break even. How would you pass a 50K account? This is really pushing here. I'm adding to this. This is really flushing. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. All right, I'm gonna take it off right there. Up 355 on this Lucid Flex with the micros. So yeah, nice trade there. Uh, 59 likes. Yeah, we'll do a giveaway. We get to the likes up for sure. Actually, I gotta do that. Anyways, oh yeah, how would I pass a 50K account? So, Aiden, I mean, it kind of depends, right? You just take your setups and then just trade. I mean, there's no, you saying like, how do you pass them in like one day? I mean, you pass them in one day by like trading the open on New York City, and you look for, 15 points with 10 minis. That's how you pass them in one day. Or taking a silver trade off an inside bar like this one here, and then passing it in one shot, that kind of stuff. But really, you just got to trade it. Like this account, I'm just gonna try to trade it. because I don't want to like try to half or smash it on stream to try to like promote those bad habits, you know. But like that trade right there, 355 with just the micros. If I would have took that same trade with a mini, that probably would have been $1,500. Get it halfway there, and then because this has a 50% consistency. But yeah, I mean, the half or smash is what I do, or the fully pass 10 minis, like 15 points or whatever it is, 61 ticks or something. But that's how I do it. That's how I pass Apex accounts and Gillinox accounts, things like that. Ones that are cheap, ones that are like 90% off, right? But like I said, I don't recommend doing that. Joe Crypto in the house. Rufio. Let's go, Kevin. Good luck, good luck. Miss K in the house. Miss K says smash that like button. Jen Marco. Yeah, that was a good short there. I love shorting. If you guys, I'm not a perma bull, but boy, my biggest days, usually, like I would say 8 out of 10 days are from shorts. So I have my best days on bear days, which is probably why I've been trading so well, right? Because the last 3 days have been big bear days. So I've had almost no issues. I noticed that about my trading a while back. For no reason, really. I'm not really like looking for only shorts or anything like that. Michael Giannis in the house. Got my first 50K flex. Thanks for the discount and recommendations. Apex no medals. Boo. I know, Moto time. Yeah, Lucid's great, guys. 40% off any eval right now when you use code PINE with Lucid. Hey, what's up, Pawn? Just need the $310 to pass the TPT account. Oh, you got this. You just need 3 trades of 100. How hard can it be? Apex was losing money. Yeah, I don't know, Silva. That's the thing. Here's the weird thing about that, Silva, is that I don't disagree with you. I'm just saying, like, they have consistency rules. So very, very difficult when you have accounts with consistency rules. But I have no idea the reason. I'm sure there's gonna be something else coming out or other props doing the same thing if it continues. But yeah, I'm not happy either. I mean, I enjoyed trading the metals on stream and stuff with you guys. On that, I still have that 300K Apex account. I didn't touch it today. It's still there. I just want to be able to trade I want to be able to trade the metals, the silver, and the Nasdaq for you guys. You know, for entertainment, right? Like, I don't want to just sit here and just wait for one instrument, because that can get kind of boring. So for the stream, right? Jay's not happy, I bet. Yeah, that was one of the first things I thought of was people that only trade gold and silver, you know. Meta just sold off. Do you need 20 days to get your first payout? No, just 8. 8 days, Silva. Yeah, I've been trading those accounts for like 17, 18 days, but I've already gotten 1 payout. What's up, Corey, the phone trader in the house? Use the same strap but size up. Yeah, exactly, Nick. Yeah, exactly. Good, well said. What's up, Lance? How long have I been trading futures? Since 2021. Futures, yep. 400 rejection could be a good short area. Yeah, it could be. I mean, it felt like the market just kind of ran out of time, right? It just it's still selling off. You gotta see like a pretty nice bullish reaction for me to want to hop in long at this point. But we'll take a look at the gold and silver too. So gold and silver is kind of selling off. Beautiful inside bar short on silver. I didn't even see it. It was kind of the first inside bar. Absolutely dumped. I might actually, well, I gotta put on the silver micros. That reminds me. All right, there's micro silver. So there's micro silver. And there's the DOM. So just in case I see any silver trades, this one was a beauty. Now, well, the funny thing is I love the chart off the minis. So I'm gonna watch the minis and then keep the DOM up on the micro silver just in case I don't make a mistake. Or try not to make a mistake. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold pushing down. So everything's pushing down right now. Short is king. Yes. Let's go, Degen Warrior. Same as I short small caps. Nice time fades. Let's see where we're at. I gotta get caught up here. New account discount on Lucid, bought it even though it was eval fee, fell out the firms. Yeah, Motor Time will trade. So right now a 50K Lucid Flex, which is what I bought today, cost you right around $78 with a 40% off discount code Pine. So really good deal right now on Lucid, guys. They have micro silver. No consistency rule once funded on the Flex plan. I also like the direct to funded accounts from Lucid. I was actually really tempted to buy one today, but I didn't because I ended up going through 4 Lucid evals, and then I was like, I could have just practically bought a 50K account instead of trying to like full port them. And then I was like, no, I said I didn't want to. I spent enough today. What's up, Force Fed? What's going on? Bottom of the 15-minute opening range and reject. Nice. Stop trading. Yeah, at PG. I mean, it is wild. Trading the metals is wild. It's, but I was having very good luck trading MGC with like, I'm talking like 2-3 micros, like 3 micros max. But a lot of times just 2 micros, and man, I made like $600 on the pro account yesterday just taking a gold short with like 2 micros. It was just nuts. I was like, wow, this is awesome, but kind of moving like Nasdaq does. Rage GT got his payout. I was wondering about that. I was like, I hope Rage GT comes in and says he got a payout. Guys, give it up for Rage GT 50. He just got his very first payout today. Who'd you get it with? That's pretty awesome. I got a little trigger happy with the Apex promos this week. Time fades. Well, at least those ones are cheap, you know, cheaper. But I hear you, yeah. Because I spent on Apex during that 90% off sale. I bought 28 accounts at $19.60. That's $550. And then I went through some more. And then I paid some activation fees, so $18.50. Yeah, somewhere around like $3,000 I spent with Apex this year. But you know, I got that $10,900 payout last week, so So they're paid for, but it can add up quick. And if I didn't get to a payout, you know, things can spiral out of control really fast. Guys, smash that thumbs up, guys. We will do a giveaway a little bit later. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Oh, wait. Actually, I didn't do it yet. Sorry. Exclamation point pine in the chat. There you go. We will do the giveaway later in the stream. And, yeah. We'll do a moose race. We'll give away. I got 2 Apex accounts I can give away. I'm going to give one to everyone. Well, not one to everyone, but one to one lucky winner. And then I'm going to do another members only race later in the stream. So right around 7:45 Eastern time. What up, Mr. Tactical? Yeah, 90% is no-brainer. Great investment. I bought 30 evals, past 10, sitting in profit, just waiting on a withdrawal window, and it's covered. Nice. Time fades. Yep. Nice. Would love a $5 straight to DGen type eval. Oh, I'm sure they're out there. Maybe prop pit. He is royal trades. No, I wish. Oh boy, I wish I could do that. You know, I used to be. I probably back in the day, I probably could have done that when no one was watching me. All right, inside bar on gold here, but I do not love it unless we break to the upside for like a reversal. But buying very low in discount here, so how about that ICT lingo, huh? How about that? It's impressive. How does the inside bar work? So basically, if you take a look at silver here, okay, so inside bar, the body and the wick is within the body of the previous candle. If it breaks below that candle, you go short. If it breaks above, you go long. So I just place a limit order, buy order, you know, here and there, and then I go short. I mean, I go long. If it breaks, I go short. So in this case, you would have went short. So inside bars on silver have been paying during Globex. Between Globex and like the first hour of Tokyo, so Tokyo Open, they've been really, really, really strong. Silver looking heavy, might drop. Yeah, looking a little bear flaggish right now. See what Nasdaq's doing. Yeah, Nasdaq's still falling. So we took a beautiful Nasdaq short earlier. After it pushed up above the 5-minute ORB and rejected, we ended up going short here and then rode it down to the low. Why is my hotkeys not working? Oh, so annoying. If anyone wants to know how to set up hotkeys on Tradeovate, here's a little lesson. So you go to preferences, right? So first you click up here in this top right corner. You go to preferences. That's how you set up hotkeys. Go to hotkeys. You want to enable them on. Edit. I only use them for the chart, but you can actually do orders and everything else with hotkeys if you want. And then you go down. Well, for me, like to make a line or something, I only use line, fib, and draw a rectangle. So you just click on whichever one you want, click on it like that, click on this, and then hit shift, and then whatever letter you want. So in my case, it's A, and then just click off it, and it's saved. So then you just hit shift A and then click your mouse. It should work. I don't know why it's not. Yeah, refreshed. For some reason it's not working at the moment, but There it is. And then you can also use it as a measuring tool too. So that's it's a pretty cool feature. It allows you to do some cool stuff. So like if you do the rectangles, you know, you can do that. Or you want to draw a fib, you know, I have it all on the hotkeys, lines. All right, market's pushing down here. Gold's pushing down. How long after passing a trade day account until you get your funded accounts? You'll have it tonight. If you passed it today, you'll have it sometime tonight. Yeah, it's pretty quick. Within, I would say usually within 12 hours minimum. Or maximum, I should say. Yeah, pretty quick. Nice gold, nice breakdown off that bar. Yeah. I didn't take it, but guys, yeah, exclamation point pine in the chat. We'll do a giveaway later in the stream. One for members only and one for a regular one for the peeps. Any size Apex account. One to everyone. Yeah, I know, Keeson. I wish. If I could, I would. Honestly, I would. That's what Bulenox told me once, right? So I hit up Bulenox once and I says, hey, you think I could get some, you know, I'm fairly decent affiliate with Bulenox. Like I have some months with the Bulenox, it's like better, almost as good as Apex and stuff. Like it's pretty decent. So I was like, hey, you think I could get some accounts to give away to for my stream? And they said, yeah, no problem. Like just tell us how many you want to buy, and then let us know, and we'll, you know, hand them out. I'm like, huh? No, that's not the way it works. Like, you give me accounts, and then I hand them out. Like, what the... That was Bulenox. They're a funny prop for sure. There's no presence on social media. Like, you don't know who they are. All I know is that when I hit up support, they answer. And then when I request payout, it goes in the bank. So besides that, I don't know anything about the company. Hey, what's up? I'm going to trade. What's going on? It was a good day today. Yeah. Good, nice daily payout. Apex accounts are all green. I blew through a few lucid evals, trying to half or smash, but yeah, it was a good day. As soon as I lost that fourth one on lucid, I was like, all right, I'm done. I'm so annoyed. I'm like, I don't want to trade no more. But it's all right. We're gonna try to see if we can pass one today. We're gonna see if we can pass one today. Or a half one, because I gotta get 50%. I've hit my personal DLL 3 days this week, and the other day with also decent loss. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Harrison. I mean, the market's very, very volatile, so at least you're hitting your personal daily loss limit. I think, you know, like that is like very, very key. So nothing to be ashamed of there. His royal trades, they have the best support in the game, which is so weird. I know, they do. Bulenox, guys, if you haven't, they have one of the best supports in the prop space. Like, it's kind of bizarre how fast and how good they are compared to some of the bigger prop firms that could definitely be able to afford, you know, better customer service. But yeah, they're great. But yeah, congratulations, Harrison, on sticking with your personal daily loss limit, because that is not easy to do. That's right. Yeah, you're not even worried because you hit your daily loss limit. Right. I mean, you could just be blowing through accounts, whether it's personal or props. And, you know, a lot of times when we use the prop as, or the whole account as the daily loss limit, right? Yeah, no, H-base. Yeah, no metals. Nope. Not yet. Yeah, right now, if you guys want to trade metals, I posted it right there on the top, pinned to the message. My Funded Futures, Tradeify, and Lucid. Those are the ones that you can trade metals on. Actually, you know what? I should add something to that trade day as well. And trade day. Guys, if you can pick it up any trade day accounts, it's Pine with a capital P. But right now, Lucid and My Funded Futures, you can trade in micros, I believe. Can you guys, am I doubling music again? I probably am. Thank you. It's fixed. Can you trade micros with My Funded Futures? Micro silver, I mean. Does anyone know? Someone told me you could, but I know you can with Lucid. Yeah, Lucid, you can trade micros. Hey, Aramis. I can't pronounce your name, but second payout with Apex. Let's go. Congratulations. Crushing it. So gold's pushing down, silver's pushing down, everything's just pushing down. Taking one trade short, and so far I'm sitting on my hands waiting for some bit of a reversal or something. Perhaps we will take a... All right, silver still looking like it wants to dump. Let's take a look at gold. I mean, we could try this inside bar short, but it's the same thing as what happened with gold. It's a little tricky, but it did pay. A 1-to-1. If you try to win for a 1-to-1, it did pay. Oh wait, I'm on 15-minute chart. That's no bueno. Never mind. That was a 15-minute chart. 15-minute inside bar in silver. In case anyone trades in 15-minute inside bars. That was weird. I don't know why I was on 15-minute or 5-minute or 15-minute. I don't know why I wasn't on the 5-minute. Up 675 on NQ shorts. Let's go, JLD 54. Yeah, currently up 355. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. We will do it later in the stream. We got to get the likes up, though. We need at least 250 likes minimum, or no soup for you. How did everyone else do today? You guys do all right? You guys, how you guys been trading the markets? So I made a tweet saying like, you know, that I pretty much been trading 2 or 3 micros in this volatility. And I think that's a pretty good message, because a lot of times people will ask me, especially newer traders, like, you know, what size are you trading and da da da. Well, today I made decent money and I just traded micros. So there's my X feed. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, it's in the chat. I'm up to 1,159 followers, so I appreciate it if you guys give me a follow on Twitter too, if you're on there. I actually post quite a bit of stuff. But yeah, here's what I posted today. I says, I just traded about 2 or 3 micros and just looked for the base hits. And I actually made a little more on this account today, so this is actually doubled. But I mean, if you look at it this way, I mean, that's, if you 4,000 a day is 1 million a year trading. And you can do it with like 2 or 3 micros sometimes, you know, when you're copy trading multiple accounts. So it is possible. Been on 17 Green Street for the first time. Really patient on my trade. Let's go. Yeah, just keep doing that, man. That's awesome. Brother Sabo in the house. Been getting settled in my funded account using 1 micro. This wild volume with up $141 trading 1 micro. Yeah, exactly. $141 doesn't sound like a lot, but you do that consistently over this month and you'll be at a payout, or at least really close to a payout. It used to be if you did that for 30 days, if you were over $100 for 30 days with My Funded Futures, they'd put you in a live account. But I don't think they do that anymore. Let's go, RX. Let me know. Let me know when it opens up, because I want to take a payout too. Yep, I want to take one as well. The payout party. All right, silver just consolidating down here at the low. Watching Nasdaq, also just pushing down. Hourly here. Trying to buy a bounce here, but yeah, it's just looking super bearish. I'm just not gonna be looking for longs at the moment until we see something very, very evident, like a big boner candle. Gold also pushing down. Bitcoin down to 63,384. It's down another 13% today. So early in October, it was up to 126,000, and right now it's down to 63. Very, very volatile. Actually went as low as 62 on Bitcoin today, so look out. I don't know, they were calling, Tom Lee was calling for 250,000 on Bitcoin. We'll see. Not anytime soon. Why no short at gold? Just I was short Nasdaq and earlier and didn't catch the gold short. No reason. I mean, everything's just, I mean, you could just push the button and then like hope, and then maybe it just keeps going lower. But right now, there's just no setup for me. It's just at all. So I'm just trying to be patient. I'm kind of wishing I held on to my short, but We get caught up in it sometimes. Jared, you bought some? Yeah, no, nice. Bought some crypto to hold for a few years. Nice. Yeah, why not? I mean, if you have a little bit of money that you can put to the side, you know, why not? Kind of forget about it. LS Carl made 1,400 on a Lucid Flex, funded 50K, made the rest, pass it, upgraded, so went to the funded account because you can do that. Once you pass Lucid, guys, you can activate the funded account on day one, and then made another 1,400. So that's pretty good, LS Carl. Congratulations. That is an awesome feature with Lucid right now. Is you can same day activation when you pass an account. So you did too, Weber, Florida. Nice. Gold only runs up day after day when nothing bad is still to come. Harrison, yeah. Tom Lee's always wrong, but yeah, he's vested too, right? He has a Bitcoin company or something. I don't know. I don't even know anything about it, but it's like the inverse Kramer, right? The inverse Kramer. So everything that Kramer says on Twitter, you just do the opposite. It's pretty hilarious. The inverse Kramer. And they posted that they were up quite a bit at one point. So they do everything the opposite that Jim Cramer says. Yeah, I don't know where it says it, but yeah, it's kind of funny. More coffee, that's right. It's funny. Oh, we'll get a silver long, perhaps. Let's try it. Long silver here. I'll try it. It already pushed up quite a bit, but what the heck? Oh, look, we're 69, 67, 95. See if it holds this inside bar here. Holy cow, man. I guess I should have just used one micro. I'm not used to, this is the second time I've traded micro silver. I guess I should have used one micro. Boy, it still, that was a regret. I could still maybe get out of it, but we'll see. Kind of looking for a 1-to-1. Overall, still looking very bearish, so yeah, I'm note to self, I'm only, of course it goes against me right away. Note to self, just one micro on the silver. I can get out of one maybe. Come on. All right, I'm out of one. I lost a little bit, but I don't want to kill the account just in one trade. Stop below the low. I don't think this is. I don't know if this is gonna work. We got some zero prints down here too. It's a little iffy. I might close it out early. Taking a look to the upside here. Oh, we got a bunch to the upside too. A bunch of zero prints up here. So there's lots of room. Silver's very thin. But yeah, we'll take it. So right now, these inside bars are hitting around 70% between 6 to 9 p.m. So 70%. So, you know, 3 out of every 10 have been losing. The other night, they went like 14 for 14 over the last 2 days or something like that. And then last night, they went 1 for 1. So right now, it's one win off this one. This one might lose, but we don't know. Wendy, what's going on? What's up, Wendy? Simplistic videos in the house. Oh, really? Michael Giannis? Interesting. Under the 200 EMA. Yeah, that's interesting. On Nasdaq. I'm honestly thinking that even 50K accounts with one micro silver could be not enough. Make maybe 150Ks with one micro. That's more reasonable. All right, stopped out. Down 451 now, so gave back that first trade and down some. Sorry, we'll wait for the next setup. Gold still pushing down as well. Nasdaq. So top of the hour here, Tokyo. Was scheduled for 7 p.m. Not sure. What was that? Oh, Trump's supposed to speak tonight. Thank you, Parnell. I did not know that. That will definitely move the market if he's speaking. Oh, didn't he speak earlier today? Yeah, I don't know. Do you have Tradeify daily direct accounts? Fine. I did simplistic videos. I lost them. Yeah, I got 3 payouts on them. I had 2 accounts last week. I got 3 payouts on them, and then I ended up losing them 2 days ago. But yeah, I had a 50K direct, the Lightning funded accounts with Tradeify. I like them. Got some zero prints up here at 66. We are breaking lower though. See if we can tag these zero prints. Very risky. Don't follow this. Bang. Just hit it. Up 217 now. Or down 217. Still left 2. You just know when it's like chopping around, it's just going to come for those zero prints. So. Breaking that range though now. Gold doing the same thing, push it lower. All the gas below get filled? Perhaps, yeah. I mean, It is very bearish. Metals, gold, everything very bearish. SOFX, what's going on? Sofa FX, I should say. What's up? What's up? $8 from payout. This is the worst, Echo Trader. You got this. You got this. It is the worst, though. It's very like when I'm streaming and I'm like very close to getting the pass or something, it's very clinchy. It's like you tense right up. I'm like, come on, come on, come on. It's like I only need like $50 or something. Looking for a little bounce here. See if I can get a little bounce up to that 66. $66.13. Come on. Bounce it. One time. See if I can bounce it up into those zero prints. Stops at the low. Yep. Stopped out. All right, watching silver here to see what gold's up to. Looking for zero prints on the gold. I'm seeing a few, but they're just singles. I'm trying to scalp into those. Profit hit. Let's go, Echo Trader. I've lost 3 accounts less than $27 from passing. So when unclear $50 pass, I usually walk away and come fresh. Yeah, Dennis, for sure. I've been there, man. Got like I was up $10,000 on a Top Step account, and just needed to make like another $100 to get. Well, I was up 9,000 something, and I just wanted to make $10,000 in a day. Like I've never done it, or at the time I had never done it. I've done it since, but like, and I blew the account like an idiot. Like it's just, yeah, stupid. I hope I still get excited about trades like you after trading as many years. I'm like 8 months, and now I just ripped him. Yeah, it's all for show, Cody. No. Yeah, I mean, I try to just bring the energy here at night because I figure, so I was thinking about that today. It's like I have a 2-hour show. I try to bring the heat and the energy as much as I can, you know. You been here, sucks so bad, Brass? Yeah, no. But I do love this stuff. I love it. I mean, I really do. My favorite thing to do is sit there on the couch with my laptop and back test and things like that, and kind of look at over charts, and you know, it's one of my favorite things to do. Ooh, I left an order on. What a rookie. Got some zero prints up here. I'm going to try it. 66.13. Try it again. Getting a kind of a bullish reaction. See if we can do a little backfilling of this candle. I don't know. I might just get smoked here again. Should just wait for the inside bars. Gold's, pushed and backfilled. I'm just seeing if silver's wants to do it as well, but nope. It doesn't. God, I'm getting beat up on silver. See if we can hold that low. Just hoping at this point. Hope is not a strategy, but that's what I'm doing. Full clinch. Looking for this up here, 66.13. Gonna add to it if it breaks. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. Giving away any size Apex account. I'm gonna give away one to members too. And then I gotta keep the rest for myself. No. I already got my my allotted account, so yeah, just kind of slinging around this eval. Kind of realizing, getting a feel for how big silver is, even with 1 micro. I can't believe I was trading minis with this thing. You know what this kind of feels like? Like when YM's very volatile, because it's $5 a tick. That's what it feels like with YM, in a way. Like, well, it just feels like, I don't know, it just feels like, or maybe even Nasdaq. It feels like a Nasdaq mini when it's volatile. Silver with minis with silver is wild. I know. I can't believe I was trading it. Some accounts. That's how I got one of those take profit trader pros over the buffers. 2 minis, 2 silver minis, made 5,500 in like 2 seconds. I was like, oof. I said, no wonder these props are banning them. Miss K says, smash that like button. 336 watching, 185 likes. Going to the well one more time, looking for these zero prints to be filled. Seeing if see gold kind of backfilled a bit. Looking for silver to push up as well, but it does not want to. Come on. There's just no buyers. All right, stop at the low. Let's do or die. New 15-minute candle here in 1 minute. Stopped out. 646 and drawdown left. Damn it. Nasdaq putting in an inside bar. Still watching silver here. Let's see what happens here on this candle. Maybe we sweep the low and then push back up, or it just keeps dropping. I mean, obviously one or the other, right? But I'm just really looking at these this area, but I might hold. See what Nasdaq's doing. Still going down, straight down. But I hate when it's just like this. You know, I want to see back and forth. That's what I like for days, but we'll trade what we see. Right now, we're not trading it very well. Last leg on this eval, so. Sussy in the house. What's going on? When can we trade with Apex? I have no idea. Yeah, they haven't said. I mean, they just said no. They just said no. And index is peeing off the roof. Yeah. Yeah, everything just... There's no bounce into anything. Just no bounce. There goes silver again. Nasdaq dropping as well. I don't know why I'm having a tough time like shorting tonight. I placed one really nice short on Nasdaq earlier. Took profit here and it's falling all the way down here. But and then besides that, I keep trying to long silver, looking for a little bounce, and I'm not getting it. Like a bungee replaced with twine, I'm for sure. Yeah. But we're not done yet. We're down, but we're not out. Trying a quick bounce long here. Pretty bullish reaction. Getting out of one there. Starts to break even on the other one. Come on, let's break up above 65.33 here and then run this area. Don't tag me out. Come on, just go. Ah, tag me out on the runner. Got a little bit back. Got about half back. Got $1,100 in drawdown now. So doing a little degeneracy. Big reaction here off the Nasdaq. Gonna watch for an outside bar here. Might possibly look for a long, but I'm okay with being late on it. Let's draw a Tory tan line here. Kind of got a Tory tan line here. Big outside bar, so let's see what happens here. If we get a break and kind of like holding above this 320, I mean, I would love to see it above the VWAP, but I think this might just trap buyers too, just because we're just so bearish. But you can get nice relief bounces sometimes, even in bearish markets. All right, I'm gonna take a long on silver. I'm looking to look for these inside bars. I mean, this zero prints again, up to 66.13. It was a pretty bullish candle. Let's see if we can just get a little momentum off it. I think this is the one I was looking for, so let's see. Come on. Come on, squeeze just a little bit higher. Oof. Granny, no. Bang. Woo! Almost at 50% consistency. $1,344. Let's go. That's the one I was looking for, not this one, apparently. I tried to go long off this one, looking for that bounce up to those zero prints, but you know, that's kind of key, like why you stop yourself out, even though you take paper cuts, and then go for it when you see it. So it started to go, and then I end up adding into it, and then so almost up 50% consistency. 1344. But yeah, very risky, right? And good lesson that micro silver, even 1 micro, can tear your face off and also make you a lot of money. So yeah, this is the second time I've ever traded micro silver, and yeah, it's still big. Fun. I like it. Nasdaq looking like a pretty good long as well. So what I gotta make? 3,000 to pass this account. So 50%, right? Yeah, I get 1,500. So sometimes what I do is I go right here to the risk settings and I go to daily profit trigger. This doesn't always trigger it, but it's delayed. It's amazing that when you have a daily profit trigger that it delays, but when you have a stop loss, like it just, you know, it always triggers it right off when you hit your max drawdown. Possibly pushing up to test this VWAP. Fiber Splice, what's going on, man? Jeff Smith in the house. Sussy Watermelon. Why Trader saying wrong password or user for Apex? Even though it's correct, I don't know. I don't know, Sussy. Perhaps. Wow, nice push on silver there. Finally, a little relief bounce. They're going to all-time highs now. No. Yeah, I have no idea, Sussy. Make sure your cap locks are not on. I know it sounds stupid, but I've done that. Who else we got? We drew the same trend line. The old Tory tan line there. Wow, a nice bounce on silver there. So we caught that bounce. Took it up to those zero prints. And yeah, $1,344. Pretty good. Hey, what's up, Wes? Yo, go Seahawks. Oh, come on, man. All right. Come on, that's where it's at right here. Go Pats. Go Pats. Banned. That's right. He knew it would get a rise out of me. Yeah, for sure. Y'all took out the Broncos. Well, the backup. The backup quarterback. I mean, there was rumors that we might have a backup quarterback for this game, so I hope not. There's all kinds of rumors saying like Drake May is injured and all that stuff, but man, what a bounce here on Nasdaq. But yeah, I think he's fine. Broncos are still good though, right? Is that the infamous missing jersey? I wish. Isn't it crazy? Did you watch that documentary where, yeah, Grumpy Grandpa, that, I mean, that guy had stolen all kinds of stuff. The guy that stole the New England Tom Brady jersey after the Super Bowl. Like, he was part of some sort of press pass. He had some press pass or something. And he lived in another country, and then he ended up, went into his house, and he had all kinds of memorabilia for, like, all kinds of different people. It was just nuts. I wonder if they keep Brady out of the Hall of Fame for the first ballot. I would hope not. I couldn't believe it. I don't know. I'm biased, though. I mean, I'm biased. I've been on a season ticket waiting list for 10 years. But obviously, I've been watching them since I was a little kid. Growing up in Maine, I mean, we don't have any professional sports in Maine. Besides like, I don't know, maybe like, yeah, no professional sports at all. No, so we always have to go to Boston. Grow houses, yeah. We are in the High Times Hall of Fame. For sure, for homegrown. Bill Snike. Yeah, for sure. But, or maybe cast iron pan tossing. There's some women up in northern Maine that can throw some cast iron pans. Let me tell you. They'll throw you around too. Gotta be careful. I hate the Patriots, but it is a joke that Kraft isn't in the Hall of Fame. and Belichick was kept out of the first ballot. Yeah, for sure. Sleepy Mocha, I agree. I mean, you gotta recognize, like, to win that many championships and stuff, even when you bend the rules a little bit. What did Design do? He's trading. Nice trade, Design. James Pulley, I agree. Yeah, so you can't trade with metals right now with Apex either. The old Portland Sea Dogs, yeah. We got the Heart of Pine, too. The Heart of Pine, professional soccer now. It's not MLS, but it's fun. They're called the Hearts of Pine. I want to go to a game. This could be my new logo. But yeah, it's the Hearts of Pine. See? Pretty sweet. Sold out every single game that they put in. Or they just started last year. They sold out every game. Should be a main fishing competition between the Canadian and Americans. It'd be a good tournament. Yeah. I know they fight over lobster. The lobster fishermen. How do you get 90% with your code? Is Apex just... Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, that expired yesterday. I'm sorry. I gotta take that down. I forgot. I don't even know what Apex is right now for a discount. But yeah, 90% off ended last night at midnight, so 226 likes, guys. Smash that like button. Do me a favor. So we are currently up $1,344, just slinging around this Lucid eval. I really want to get another Lucid funded account so I can sling around some metals, and then that way we can yeah, take advantage of some of the great silver inside bars that we back test, or I didn't back test. Methodical Man back tested them, but I figured out the strat. He back tested it. It's a team effort. Hey Wesley, let's go with the donation for the 1600 clean buck click. Yeah, let's go. We need all that Kleenex. I really wanted to go to the game, but apparently I gotta pay back. I gotta pay a claw back. So all my Super Bowl ticket money is. Scott wants more of it back. I'll just say that. Fast Track Trading. They want all my payout money. I wasn't even an affiliate. I was just a trader. I wasn't even a YouTuber at the time or anything, and had one of my largest payouts ever with that stupid company, and then now they want the money back for $11,000. So stupid. TPT metals are working too. Yeah, TPT you can trade metals. I traded metals today on TPT. Did I not put that in the? Yeah, I don't know why I didn't put it in my little message there. That was stupid. But yeah, you could trade metals with Take Profit Trader, guys. Thank you for using code PINE, all caps, Take Profit Trader. Thank you so much for the donation, Wes. I will buy, I'll at least buy myself some beers with that. Appreciate that. So guys, I will not be on Sunday night. I'm not going to stream Sunday night. I'm just going to enjoy the game, the Super Bowl. Obviously, I'm a big Patriots fan, and they're in the Super Bowl, so Yeah, I'm not going to be streaming Sunday night. But we'll do something. I'll be back Monday night for sure. We'll do a giveaway tonight, though. If you guys want to exclamation point pine in the chat, we'll do that in about 15 minutes. I'm just waiting for another setup, looking for a little scalp, maybe to get this over to 1500 completely. We don't have to, but be nice if we can. Which company wants their money back? Fast Track Trading. Yeah, I'm being, you know, they're doing clawbacks for bankruptcy. But the thing about mine is that all the money that I paid, yeah, I've talked to Kelly, and all the money that I've paid is before the 90-day clawback. So I shouldn't owe anything because it goes back 90 days, and mine is all before the 90 days. So, but you know how the law is. Lawyers and everyone has their hand out. They all want money. TPT software failed me accounts somehow. Oh no, Jared. So Jared, reach out to them. If you think it was an actual mistake, reach out to them because I've had that happen before. There is a chance that it was a mistake. So yeah, reach out to them. I'm sorry to hear that. This has happened to me before. And one time I was like, there's no way. I left the order on, and I reached out, and they confirmed that it was okay. But yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. And unfortunately, you're probably gonna have to be a little patient with Take Profit Trader customer support because they are not the best. They're a little bit slow, I should say. A little bit slow. The Super Bowel, yeah. Sorry to hear that, Jared. I've had that happen. It sucks. Yeah, they respond slow, yeah. Yeah, Martin, for sure. Do it. Clawback. Paid them in crypto. Oh, boy. It's fine. Scott is starting a new prop firm. Everything is great. Not if it's a Ponzi. I know. But yet the CEO of the company is starting another prop firm. Kind of weird, huh? It's like, if it's a Ponzi, then why aren't certain people being prosecuted? Don't know. I'll leave it to the attorneys. Stupid. It's upsetting. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, that's a lot of money. My whole Apex account, like if they truly are gonna get that money from me, my whole Apex account that I just got is gone. You know, $10,975 I just got for a payout. It's gone. It's like it never even happened. So I'll fight it. I'm not gonna lay down. I'm not gonna just send them money. I'm gonna fight it. I'd rather fight them. And pay, you know, my own attorney fees than give them back any money at all. You know what I'm saying? It's like, screw that. All right, still looking for another trade here. Nice. So we took a little silver trade. So the first trade we took tonight was Nasdaq. It was a beautiful trade off this rejection, and then we targeted the low of this 5-minute ORB. You guys know I love to take and look for the failures of the 5-minute ORB candle, and so we did just that. We pushed up high, pushed up above that first 5-minute candle here, this pink one, rejected, and I ended up taking a short back down to the low. It was a really, really nice trade to start. And then I started trading silver like a degenerate, and took this inside bar with too many micros. Apparently, one micro is plenty, and took a big hit once it failed. First inside bar on silver tonight worked beautifully. And so, like I said, this has been back tested recently, the month of January, hitting around 70% 1-to-1. So 5-minute inside bars on silver 1-to-1, hitting about 70%. So been pretty profitable. And then like over this past week, it's been super profitable. So we tried it here. We missed this one. We tried it here and it failed, of course. So and then we tried to take a long bounce into here into some zero prints and failed. The account was down to about $600 left in drawdown, and then had this it swept the low and had this very bullish reaction, this harami pin bar type candle here. And we closed our eyes, pushed the button, and pushed up into these zero prints that we had sitting up there at the 66.18 area, and started with 1 micro, added a second, added a third, and then now we're up $1,344. So it's kind of a roller coaster day, but overall had a really good day. Got a nice daily payout this week, up over $10,000 this week with daily payouts with Take Profit Trader. So let's go. Got to pay those attorney fees. But yeah, so that's where we're at. We're gonna do a giveaway, guys. Thank you so much, Wes, for the $20. Guys, give it up for Wes. You guys know he streams, well, sometimes he streams at night, but go ahead and follow Wes on YouTube. You guys know Wes, Wesley Emerald Gate. Who do I get daily payouts from, Fish Lips? I currently Take Profit Trader. That's the only daily payout account I have. I have one 150K that I've been milking that's over the buffer, and that's the only one. Who do I call to get my money back for FTT, Martin? I don't know. I was kind of joking, but I don't know. I mean, perhaps if you had a lot of money, maybe it's worth a free consultation to a attorney or something. I don't know. I don't know. I can't give you financial advice or anything, but why not? Too many of these companies get away with that crap. How much should you risk on a 50K account? Kind of depends on what you're doing with it, Aiden. I would say, like, if it's a funded account, $400 a day max, which is still a lot. You got to remember, like, these accounts, you're looking at the drawdown, right? So you got $2,000 in drawdown on most 50K accounts. So you want to have some bullets, right? I think it's more important to have a daily loss limit set. So, like, if you're someone that can make 300, 400, 500, 600 a day on a regular basis, you probably don't want to risk more than that on the day, right? You don't want to get in the holes too much. Alexi, do I use the 6 p.m. candle as the ORB? Yes. Yep. Yeah, the very first 5-minute candle, I consider that the 5-minute ORB, and I love to fade it. You know, so many people take the first 5-minute ORB break, But what I love to do is wait for it to break and then wait for a reversal candle to fade it, knowing that there's tons of stops just sitting below that candle. So yeah, I just used that very first 5-minute one when the market opened. Jared, you had nice tax deduction. I guess that's very yeah, for sure. Three weeks not paid with the Apex. It just says approved and not paid. Have you reached out to support? Did mine say paid? I didn't even notice. Let's take a look at the Apex accounts here. They're looking marvelous. Yeah, mine never say they never said paid, but I've been paid on all these. So mine never said paid. So you want to make sure that there's no issue with your payout method, things like that. So yeah, that's weird. Thank you for the sub, Edwin. But yeah, that's weird. 120 is my budget for the day. Yeah, it's kind of like it's got to be. It's hard. Like, all right, so like for me, the stop needs to be where it needs to be. I can't just say, well, I'm only gonna risk 200 to make 200 and stuff like that. Like, you can be a trader and be successful doing that, but for me, it's like, well, if I place a trade, my stop has to be where it makes sense. So like if I go long here, it has to stop, kind of has to be down here, or you know, for 5-minute candles. Now lower time frame traders, you can kind of tighten your stop because you have more sniper entries than perhaps I do on a 5-minute chart. But you know, it's a tough call to say like, how much should you risk? Well, I would say, you know, no more than what you can make in a day for daily loss limit. I had pretty good success like keeping around a $600 daily loss limit on a 50K account, but I'm also someone that could make, you know, $600, $700, $800 on that account consistently for profit. But even that's risky, but that's just kind of playing that prop game, right? Where we're just completely over leveraged, because really on a 50K account, trading one micro with $2,000 drawdown is all what you should be trading. All right, take profit trader withdraw. The window is open, so we can take a withdraw from take profit trader. I'm gonna do that so I can get paid, and then I can trade the account later tonight if I choose. So we're going to do that one real quick. Guys, we're going to do a giveaway. Smash that like button. I'm going to check to see how many likes we got. And we're going to do 2 giveaways tonight. One for members only and one for give away one account to the everyone else there. So I think I said that again wrong, but I'm checking. See how many right, 261 likes. I'm just gonna sign into my take profit trader account. Exclamation point pine in the chat. When I'm done, we'll do that giveaway, first giveaway. But I want to request this payout so I can get paid. So they've been pretty quick with take profit trader lately, guys. Much better than what they used to be. So usually when I request, like right now, the time I get off stream, I usually go eat dinner. Tonight I gotta go to the gym because I didn't go today. So I gotta go to the gym when I get off stream. But time I get back from the gym, I should have my payout. So $9.79 today. for a daily payout. That's after commission, $783. So we'll take that. That beats a 9-to-5 day job. I didn't even have to put pants on today to do that. All right, let's get this fired up. Requested. This is for any size Apex account, and must be eligible to trade with Apex. I don't have any other accounts, so if you win, don't like email me and say that you can't trade with Apex or something, and that you want a Lucid account. Well, I want a Lucid account too, but we're giving away Apex accounts because Bella, the Apex rep, gave us a bunch of accounts to give away, so that's what we're gonna do. And I want to hurt myself in the race because I won a race on Alpine's channel the other day. So I want to win my own race. All right, guys, closing entries now. Sorry if you didn't get in, but you know what? This is not going to be the first or the last account we give away. All right, let's do it. Good luck, everyone. Shuffling the characters, shuffling the characters. Shuffling one more time. Good luck. Oh, Lucid gives away accounts. They comes up automatically. Good luck. Who do we got? Who do we got? Who do we got? We got Roma on the outside. We got Daniel Mosley. I see, who else do we see in here? We see Sorrel Golf. See Zach T in the middle pushing up through. We got Grumpy Grandpa pushing up through the middle here. 10 seconds. Who's it going to be? It's a neck and neck, an antler to antler. Oh, his Royal Trades. No way. Oh, his Royal Trades. Let's go. Hey, it pays to be a member. And he's going to get entered into the second drawing. Definitely rigged. Definitely rigged. Hey, let's go. Congratulations, his Royal Trades. Congrats, congrats. Pays to be here every day. All right, let's do a members only race now. Thank you so much. Let's see. We'll do that real quick. Definitely rigged. I agree. Congratulations. You know what? I'm feeling spicy. Let's do another one. Let's do another one for the people. And then we'll do the member only race. We're not going to be here Sunday night, so let's do another one. Let's shuffle the characters. His Royal Trades can't win again. But he can win the next one, the members only, if he wants. But let's go. Good luck. We got Rage GT on the outside, who just got his very first payout. I think it's because he hangs out on the stream all the time. That's what I think. Just got his very first payout today after just a few months of trading, so congratulations. Christmas in December out in the lead here. Quantum Wick fighting for the top spot. Must be present to win. Who's it going to be? Ooh, TJP's pushing through the lead. Oh, someone on the outside here. Who is this? Oh, Michael Giannis. Another regular. Not a mod, but a regular, so I like to see that. Congratulations, Michael Giannis. Congratulations. Another regular. You want to run it again and give his account to someone else? Oh, you're nice. All right, here's what I'm going to do, though. I'm going to open up the giveaway. I'm going to... Let's see. How am I going to do this? Oh, yeah. So I'm going to open up the giveaway one more time. And I'm going to give it 2 minutes. No, I'm going to give it 1 minute for people that are here. So here we go. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. Go. Got 1 minute. Get it in. 6:57 up on this clock right here, and we're closing it. Thank you, His Royal Trades, for giving back the account. That's pretty awesome, guys. We got Michael Giannis at 1. He's a regular. As soon as that hits 7, I'm closing it. Let's go, Canary Trader. Congratulations. Just passed 2 Apex accounts with code PINE. Thank you so much for using code PINE, guys. So currently, if you guys are just tuning in, we have $1,344 tonight. Got a little shaky there, but we got about 50% of the way. All right. Closing. Closing. Now. How much do I get when I use your code? About 20,000 a day. Not bad. I mean, I can live off it. All right, here we go. Sorry if you didn't get in, but hey, this is a second round, so a third round. Let's do another moose race here. We'll do more giveaways in the future. His Royal Trades. So this one, you guys were quick. So here we go. 130 people, so this is a little better, right? Good luck. I can barely live off $20,000 a day. Yeah, I know. No, that's what Patrick makes. He showed it one day on stream, so I couldn't imagine. I'm very fortunate though. I'm very happy. If you guys decide to use my code or not, I just appreciate you guys being here as well. So thank you so much. All right, 21 seconds here. Who's it going to be? Ten seconds. Vic Gotra. Vic Gotra. Congratulations. All right, Vic. Congratulations. All right, we're going to do one for members only, guys. Vic Gotra, I will hit you up in just a minute. What am I doing here? All right. All right, members only. There's that, and then cancel, confirm, and then start giveaway. Members only, exclamation point pine in the chat. We'll do a members only giveaway. Thank you for being a member. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Let's do a different race just for the fun of it. I pay for the premium, so why not? Let's do a hedgehog race. I've never seen this yet. Hedgehog race. Unicorns? Is there unicorns in there? Oh yeah, there is unicorn race. Let's do a unicorn race. That's kind of funny. I'm not gonna play the music because you know what? Some of these songs on these are copyrights. They'll give you a copyright strike. It's crazy. All right, closing entries. Everyone can just chat again. And here we go. Good luck. We got who do we got? Mr. Tactical, we got Moto, we got Rage GT, we got Nomadic Trades, Sleepy Mocha, HR, Trader Mo's falling behind with the unicorn. His Royal Trades, Dave Mack, Tony, Kevin. Thank you guys for being members. Thank you, everyone. Good luck. Vic, I'm going to hit you up. Are you part of the Discord, Vic? If anyone wants to join the Discord, they can join. There's a Discord right there, Vic. Yeah, just let me know your Discord name, and then I can message you. And no way, his Royal Trades again. You got to be kidding me. Let's go. You got to take this one, right? You got to take this one. I mean, hey, why not? Congratulations, buddy. Buy a lottery ticket. I know. Awesome. Definitely rigged. Nothing suspicious there. No, nothing suspicious there. He'll join and message me, Vic. All right, cool. All right, so I got Michael Giannis, I got Vic, and I got his Royal. Cool. All right. All right, guys. That's gonna do it for me tonight. Up $1,344, half or smash. Traded pretty. It was a little up and down, but we stayed. Took the paper cuts and ended up having a nice win, added to the winner. And you can see the power of adding to the winning trade, where once it starts to go your way, you can just kind of nail it and press it, right? To get up over. So yeah, Michael Giannis. For sure. All right, guys. Michael Giannis, you're in the Discord too, right? Who knew unicorns were so slow? Yeah. All right. What's your Discord handle, Michael? Or just message me, and I'll take care of all you guys as soon as I get done. As soon as I get off, I'll get those codes to you guys. Thank you so much for being here. So I won't be here Sunday night. I'm gonna watch the Super Bowl and enjoy it. Maybe I'll put out some content or something tomorrow or whatever. We'll see. Hit the notification bell. You never know. I might pop on at some point. So kind of get it in. But thank you for using code PINE for all you prop firms. Lucid 40% off. All evaluation counts. You can trade micro silver, all the metals, with Trade Day, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, Tradeify. Just use code PINE with all those. Trade Day is the only weird one. It's PINE with a capital P. So I really appreciate you guys when you guys use my code. Thank you so much. But yeah. All right. Congratulations, winners. We'll do it again. I'll see you guys Monday for sure. But yeah, I mean, I want to try to put out content, posts, all that kind of stuff while over the next few days. So good luck trading tomorrow. And let's do it. Let's see if we can get some daily payouts and stuff tomorrow again. Right? We're kind of on a roll. So, all right, guys. Stay tuned for the outro. Peace.
Yeah. Planetary trader. Charts lit. Wrist tight. Inside bars only. Let's work.
I'm trading in the pies, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk of fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. NQ moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the pine tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk to find, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah, funded to live, that's a different feel. Trade, they take profit, apex on a deal. Evaluation passed, now it's payout talk. While they blowing accounts, we taking walks. Inside bar at key high, that's pressure building. Yeah, break off the range, yeah, that's conviction. Yeah, no indicators clutter in my sight. Just price action, structure candlelight. Chat that yelling long, I mute that noise. Market don't care about opinions, boy. One clean setup, that's all I need. Small losses, big wins, consistency. Slow grind, fast life. Charts don't lie, cut losses quick, let winners ride. Funded accounts, yeah, that's the plan. Sidebar break, execute it. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund a dream. Inside bar break, way patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. Pine tree trader, yeah, we built on rules. Price action only, that's the tool. From sin to payout, yeah, we stay clean. Inside the pines, that's the thing.